Ah, the thirst trap. The selfie's hotter, bolder cousin. There are a few tips to take the perfect one. First, keep your clothing solid colored and your background minimalist, like a plain wall, because this photo is about you and only you. For lighting, utilize natural window light or shoot during the golden hour to leave your skin looking healthy and refreshed. When staging, angle your camera slightly above your forehead for a universally flattering frame. For poses, place your best foot forward to make your legs appear longer, or glance over your shoulder with a pout for a seductive, high fashion aesthetic. To create a slim, thick look, arch your back ever so slightly and shoot from a side angle. Want to get creative? Try a steamy bathtub photo shoot using bubbles to hide parts you don't want seen. Snap a post-workout pic to take advantage of your muscle pump. Or stage a Plandid by capturing a slow-motion hair flip. You can even dress to the nines in a suit or gown and strike a red carpet pose. For your expression, try a sensual gaze or master the smize, smiling with your eyes while keeping your mouth neutral to look sweet and sultry. Finally, keep your photo editing minimal and write a unique caption to create a sizzling vibe.